Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddle. The equations a squared plus a plus 8 equal to b squared, and a, b are positive integers. Find the value for a and b. Would you find the value for a and b in your side if you are interested? Pause the video and give yourself a try while you are ready. Keep watching the video to find the result. Look at the given information, a squared plus a plus 8 equal to b squared. If you find the value for a and b, you should go through the number 8. So 8 could be sum of certain items, or could be the multiplied by value of certain items. At the same time, we find the other informations. We have b squared is a square, and the other two items, a squared plus a, properly can generate a square. If that's so, we may use the formula x squared minus y squared equal to quantity x plus y multiplies quantity x minus y. It means multiplies two quantity will become certain values. So it will be linked to our original idea. So I'm going to generate two square items in these equations. While a squared plus a become square items, it will generate fractions such as 1 over 4, then become hard to operate that. In order to reduce these complications, so we multiplied 4 to both sides of equations, then we get 4a squared plus 4a plus 32 equal to 4b squared. 4b squared is a quantity to be square items. Then generate 4a squared plus 4a, add one number becomes square. The equation is 4a squared plus 4a plus 1 plus 31 equal to 4b squared. For clarity understanding, we have quantity 2a squared plus 2 times 2a plus 1 squared plus 31 equal to 4b squared. The first three items become quantity 2a plus 1 squared. Move the number 31 in one side, and the other two are no square item in the other side. So we have 4b squared minus quantity 2a plus 1 squared equal to 31. Great. We can use the formula x squared minus y squared equal to quantity x plus y multiplies quantity x minus y. It becomes quantity 2b plus 2a plus 1 multiplies quantity 2b minus 2a minus 1 equal to 31. Look at 31. 31 is a prime numbers. If two quantity multiply equal to two numbers, it should be 31 times 1. And a, b is positive integers. Then quantity 2b plus 2a plus 1 is larger than the other items 2b minus 2a minus 1. So 2b plus 2a plus 1 equal to 31, and 2b minus 2a minus 1 equal to 1. Now we get two new equations. Let's find a and b from them. Add up these two equations, we get 4b equal to 32, so b equal to 8. Substitute b by 8 to 2b minus 2a minus 1 equal to 1. Calculate it, get 2a equal to 14, a equal to 7. That's the value we find for A and B. Do you get the same result? Hope you too enjoy the video. Thank you.